Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to map your listing on Expedia. To do so, log into expedia.com extranet and open your desired listing page. Navigate to Rooms and Rate on the left menu and click on Connectivity Settings. Click on Get Started to select your provider. Search for Quick Connect and click Next. Click on Connect for availability and rates, messaging, and reservations. Then click Next. Finally, click Confirm. Click on the listing box arrow in the top right to copy its ID. Log into app.zeevou.com, go to Listings, and click on Manage Channels in the top right. Select Expedia and click on Add More Properties. Click on Yes if your property is already added to Expedia. Then, paste the hotel ID and click Next. Verify the currency and click Next. In front of your desired Expedia room name, click on Connect this room. Then the Select Properties button. Select the desired property from the drop-down menu and click Next. Click on Connect Property. Then, click Manage One Rate. Click on Advanced to adjust the number of people in pricing and click Save. Click on the Refresh Rate Info button. Subscribe our channel to watch more tutorials and start growing your business.